Today's discussion blends humor with serious implications, as it revolves around Tesla and Elon Musk, while involving enormous financial stakes tied to the success of this ambitious venture. Because expectations are escalating rapidly, it's important to address the situation clearly before speculation and misinformation spiral out of control. Recently, a video from a Tesla Optimus demonstration in Miami began circulating widely online. The footage shows Tesla's humanoid robot losing balance and falling backward onto the ground. While a robot falling during development isn't unusual, what raised eyebrows were the specific hand gestures the robot made during fall. These movements appeared strikingly similar to those of a human operator panicking and removing a virtual reality headset, strongly suggesting remote control rather than autonomous operation. This realization disappointed many viewers. While people generally accept that experimental robots will fail repeatedly during testing, what troubled users most was a contrast between this footage and Tesla's earlier claims that Optimus was already operating fully autonomously. Falling behind expectations is understandable in cutting-edge research, but the growing perception that the public may have been misled has become a serious concern. Humanoid robotics is currently one of the most heavily funded areas in technology, with billions of dollars flowing into companies across the globe. Tesla is no exception, and Elon Musk has repeatedly stated that Optimus could eventually become a trillion-dollar product, even calling it the most significant product Tesla will ever create. At present, humanoid robots are beginning to replace humans in certain roles using increasingly advanced AI systems. Yet this progress is accompanied by deep ethical and technological anxieties. Some people are unsettled by Musk's vision of deploying large numbers of humanoid robots, while others fear widespread job displacement in the near future. This raises a fundamental question. Will robots push people into economic hardship, or will they instead help eliminate poverty, as Musk has suggested? From a technical perspective, most humanoid robot demonstrations today still rely heavily on human teleoperation, highlighting the persistent gap between hardware and software capabilities. This challenge isn't unique to Tesla. It affects competitors like Figure AI and Boston Dynamics as well. Musk believes that Optimus Gen 3 will mark a turning point for the entire industry, not because it will outperform rivals in speed or strength, but because it aims to solve foundational problems that have stalled humanoid robotics for years. Household tasks such as cooking and cleaning represent the ultimate real-world test, as they cannot be convincingly staged or faked. It's important to clarify that the yellow and black Tesla bot images recently shared online do not represent Optimus Gen 3. Musk has confirmed these are upgraded Gen 2.5 units used primarily for testing and remote operation. According to Tesla's roadmap, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to launch as a fully realized, non-experimental product designed for real-world deployment. While Optimus Gen 2 relied on teleoperation and experienced frequent falls, Gen 3 is intended to operate autonomously. Musk has claimed it could perform up to 3,500 open-ended tasks per day by learning through imitation and experience. He has even suggested it could handle daily cooking, cleaning, and meal preparation, functioning as a genuine household assistant. These claims are not mere hype, but reflect Tesla's long-term strategic goals. Musk has stated that Optimus Gen 3 will feature a refined design optimized for mass production and significantly improved battery life, requiring just 2 hours of charging for up to 22 hours of operation. Unsurprisingly, this advanced version will no longer be priced at $20,000. To make such capabilities possible, Tesla has invested heavily in developing Optimus intelligence and dexterity, particularly its hands. Musk has acknowledged that creating a human-like hand and scaling its production is one of the most difficult challenges in robotics. He has openly admitted that building Optimus is harder than developing the Model X, Cybertruck, or even a Gigafactory. According to Musk, the human world is designed entirely around human form and function, making hands the most critical component of a general-purpose robot. With over 27 degrees of freedom, the human hand enables unmatched versatility, from delicate tasks like threading a needle to complex activities like assembling machinery. Many robots can walk, run, or jump, but few can perform everyday tasks such as peeling fruit or washing vegetables. This is where most competitors fall short. The kitchen provides the clearest test of Optimus' true potential. Cooking even a simple meal demands perception, dexterity, planning, and precise coordination. If Optimus can reliably cook, it would represent a genuine transition from industrial automation to human integration. Tesla has been steadily showcasing Optimus' progress, including walking confidently through factories, serving food at public events, interacting naturally with people, and navigating crowded environments autonomously. These demonstrations reveal that Optimus can map surroundings, identify objects, avoid obstacles, and share learned data with other robots, allowing continuous improvement without retraining each unit individually. Tesla's ambitions are further supported by massive investments in AI infrastructure. A newly approved permit confirms that the Cortex-2 data center at Giga Texas will operate at up to 200 megawatts, dedicated primarily to training Optimus. This expansion builds upon Tesla's Dojo supercomputer and positions the company at the forefront of AI-driven physical automation. As global AI workloads grow rapidly, Tesla's move aligns with broader industry trends while reinforcing its goal of scaling humanoid robotics. Analysts project the humanoid robot market could grow dramatically over the next decade, and Tesla's vertically integrated approach may give it a major cost and scalability advantage over competitors like Boston Dynamics. Despite the promise, challenges remain. Regulatory scrutiny, ethical concerns, energy consumption, and legal liability all pose unresolved questions. If a humanoid robot causes harm, responsibility could fall on manufacturers, software developers, or users. Still, Tesla appears committed to accelerating development, with plans to deploy thousands of Optimus robots in factories and offer limited consumer availability by 2026. Whether Optimus fulfills its bold promises or falls short remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. Tesla is pushing humanoid robotics closer to everyday reality than ever before as Tesla moves forward. The success of Optimus will ultimately depend on whether real-world performance can match the bold claims made by its creator. Public skepticism remains strong, especially given the gap between demonstrations and everyday usability. Many potential customers question whether a humanoid robot can truly justify its cost or deliver consistent value inside homes and workplaces. Trust will be earned not through staged events or promotional videos, but through reliable deployment, transparent communication, and measurable results. If Tesla succeeds, Optimus could redefine labor, productivity, and daily life. If it fails, it may serve as a cautionary example of ambition outpacing reality in the race toward artificial intelligence. Goodbye, subscribe, okay, thanks.